Alright, here we are out in Tuckerton, New Jersey on the Great Bay. We have our 19-foot Carolina skiff with outdoor motor from Rand's Boat Rentals. And we are going to catch some fluke today. It's too little.
No, it's not.
It's this.
Look up anyway so we can see it. Ooh. This is Jeffrey Morgan, and this is his fish. Nice sandwich.
I got it. Huh? You got it. He got a mouthful of teeth. Here's my tape measure at. Brian got something. You want the net? Yeah, he too little. Brian, sleep again. We have moved. We are now at a new spot that's notorious for crabs and fluke. We got the crab pot, traps. Brian getting ready. Katie is too. Let's see what happens. Hope Katie don't fall in the water. We've got the house for 12 hours. God damn! That train would scare the shit out of me if I walk across this walkway right here. Been out of the house for 12 hours. You got 2 crab traps in the water, 1 crab pot, 3 fishing poles. I caught a bluefish this morning. Brian caught a flounder. Brian caught a fluke. I caught a fluke. Katie caught a fluke. Caught a couple blackfish, but we don't really eat fish like that, so we practice catch and release. So that's the deal right now. If we were trying to keep the fish from the day, we would have caught, each of us probably would have caught about 15 fish. Like I said, we believe in catch and release. Brian ran for nothing. Yeah, I see that bucket's fully in the water now. We'll never ever come back here and fish. This shit is crazy right here. This shit is crazy. Taking a crab pot and 2 crab traps. We're out of here. Throw these bunkers in the water. Throw these bunkers in the water. Let the crabs enjoy them. Free meal. Get some fucking little. Next time we come down here, we won't be here. And I gotta get another pot. Brian and Katie walking back to the car. I guess we're on our way back to Trenton. And we're going. Get my water bottle. Always want to clean up after yourself.